How to disable secure boot for OS installation from USB. Imagine you're trying to install a new operating system from a USB drive, but your computer just won't boot from it. It might be because Secure Boot is stopping you. Secure Boot is a feature built into modern computers that helps keep your system safe by only allowing trusted software to load during startup. It's like a security guard checking IDs before letting anything run. But sometimes, this guard blocks the installation media, especially if you're using a Linux or custom OS that isn't signed or recognized. So, to get around this, you need to temporarily turn off Secure Boot. First, restart your computer and watch for the initial screen. When it appears, press the key that opens the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. Common keys include F2, F10, F12, delete, or escape. If you're using Windows, you can also hold down the Shift key while clicking Restart. Then go to Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and choose UEFI firmware settings. This will reboot your system directly into the BIOS or UEFI menu. Once inside, look for a tab labeled Security, Boot, or Authentication. The exact name varies by manufacturer. Find the option called Secure Boot. Next, change the Secure Boot setting from Enabled to Disabled. Some systems requiring you to set Secure Boot mode to custom before you can turn it off. If you see a key management section, you might need to clear existing Secure Boot keys to fully disable it. After making the change, save your settings. Usually, pressing F10 will save and exit. Your computer will restart with Secure Boot turned off. Now, insert your USB drive with the OS installer. When you reboot, your system should recognize the USB as bootable, even if the OS isn't signed or recognized by Secure Boot. Once you finish installing your OS, it's a good idea to go back into the BIOS or UEFI settings and re-enable Secure Boot. This helps keep your system protected from unauthorized software or firmware. To do that, just repeat the steps to enter BIOS, navigate to the Secure Boot option, and turn it back on. Save your settings and restart. Remember, the exact steps can vary depending on your computer's manufacturer. Some systems might have a slightly different menu layout or terminology. If you're unsure, check your device's manual or support website for specific instructions. Disabling Secure Boot is a necessary step when installing certain operating systems from USB, especially if they are unsigned or custom. Once your OS is installed and working properly, re-enabling Secure Boot helps keep your system safe from potential threats.